Today I'm going to show you how to do a silk press. So the first things first, you're going to wash your hair super well. Make sure shampoo and conditioner because this hairstyle can last anywhere from 3 to 4 days with the odd touch up. So next we're going to put in our product. I like to start with my Orbi Royal Blowout Spray. Just spray it on the top and around, underneath, and at the ends. Lovely. And then next I'm going to put in my Bondi Boost Heat Protectant Spray. I'm going to spray it just the same way. Next I'm going to go in with the Wow Dream Coat. This helps just kind of eliminate the frizz, and I'm going to do it the exact same way. If you use this product, it has to be used with a blow dryer to help activate the product. And I have frizzy hair, so we need this. I want you to brush it out to make sure that the product is even and gets everywhere on your hair. While blow drying your hair, make sure to point it down, that way you're not getting any extra frizz, and this is going to make it easier to straighten. So my straightener's on, it's heating up. The last thing I'm going to do before I start sectioning my hair is I'm going to do one more spritz of my heat spray. I'm just going to kind of spritz it all over, and then especially going in at the ends here, just a little spritz. I'm going to brush through my hair one more time to make sure that's evenly applied, and then I'm going to do the smallest little layers to straighten our hair. Let's get this silk press going. Alright, so I layered my hair. It is very thin layer. I'm going to go very slowly. Not so slow that I'm going to burn off my hair, but slow enough that it's going to really straighten everything, and I won't have to keep going back in and back in. This may seem time consuming, but it is going to be the best way to get this result without burning your hair. So we're on to the next layer. Again, starting as close to the roots and going slowly. Now I gotta get these baby hairs a bit. So I find the trick to really getting my baby hairs is coming in at multiple different angles. For a little while I wasn't straightening my hair because I wasn't understanding like why it would always keep going wavy. And then I seen someone do a silk press, and I was like, this is what I've been doing wrong. Yeah, I really meant it when I said we're gonna do a lot of layers. This is just gonna allow you to get like as many hairs as you can, like as straight as they can be, and just kind of give you more of a polished look. So our silk press is done, and the way that we are going to finish off this silk press is we are going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of our hair. I like to use my Moroccan oil. A lot of hairdressers will call this liquid gold. It does a lot for your hair. I take just a little bit here. I'm going to run it through the bottoms and almost through like the top of my hands. I'm going to start midway. That way I don't get anything too greasy. And I'm just going to work it through just like this. Okay? This is just going to help give you extra shine, protect your dead ends, and make your hair look more alive. My hair is nice and silky. This will last 3 to 4 days. And when you go to sleep at night, either wear a silk cap or a silk bandana, and this will help keep your hair even better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.